Hello, my name's Darius. I'm the founder of Sipful. Sipful is an impact-driven drinks brand, creating wine-based beverages using real fruit, natural ingredients, and organic wine. As a brewer, I enjoyed a rewarding career as the craft beer industry evolved into what it is today. Cans were a big part of that. I grew up on a biodynamic farm, making me well aware of the environmental impacts from a very young age, and therefore is a huge structural part of Sipful's DNA. We have taken the bold decision not to join B Corp. Instead, we are joining Future Plus. Here's Mike to tell you more.
Future Plus is a platform that helps organisations, especially small organisations, measure and manage their sustainability and social impact. And by using Future Plus, we're allowing them to really understand what constitutes sustainability in terms of environmental, social, economic, diversity and inclusion, and climate impact.
Environmental awareness in the UK consumers has surged, with 85% making more sustainable lifestyle choices. Drinks trends are looking great too, with craft fever taking over beer, sodas and gin. It is now the turn for ready-drink cocktails and canned wine. UK consumers spent £412 million on ready-drink cocktails. That's up 23%. Millennials and Generation Z make up over 60% of that, with 52% saying that they've drank canned wine or plan to do so in the next 12 months. Sipful is supported by a passionate, experienced team who have already delivered on listings in Ocado, Morrisons and Wholefoods, plus loads of other independents. Sipful is based around 4 key pillars. First of all, flavour and challenging tradition. In my craft beer days, I loved collaborating with other breweries, pushing the boat out of what we can do with flavour and experimenting with new ideas. Number 2, sustainability and becoming regenerative. It is our goal to control our supply chain, from farmer and grower all the way to consumer and producer, allowing us to quantify and mitigate against our impact, becoming a regenerative business. Number 3, growth and stability. Growth is the engine that is going to make it possible for us to cut out the middlemen and fulfill our mission of becoming a regenerative business. It is essential to have stability in order to be able to support our rapid growth and to fulfill our long-term vision. And last but not least, number 4, to have fun. Sipful means to sip with your glass half full, taking a positive attitude to life, allowing our drinks to complement the moment and celebrating in togetherness. Everybody needs a giggle now and then, and Sipful's here to join you. We've set up and established a brand, built a team, brought our products to market, all whilst riding out a global pandemic. We now invite you to join Sipful at this exciting growth phase of our business to help us continue our journey to becoming a regenerative consumer brand business.